guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla if this is your first time here. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the brand new Karrueche X Colourpop Round 2 collection, and it is super cute. Okay, it's kind of cute. Let me show you the PR package. First off, I like that it's not like a super gigantic, huge collection. You have an eyeshadow palette. Oh, do you guys see that? You can see my little mess. So you have an eyeshadow palette, 3 gel liners, okay? And then when you open this up, you have 2 glosses and 4 lipsticks. This is super cute though. I like this. I like the vibe of this. I feel like this is pretty simple, but it's cute. And the name is Brown Sugar, which I think is, it's just cute. You know, how can you be mad at this? Brown sugar? All right, let's talk about the eyeshadow palette for a second. So you get 9 eyeshadow colors. It comes with a mirror, and it also comes with the names on the front. My first impression of the palette, I was like, oh, it's cute. You know, I was like, oh, it's cute. Like, warm colors. I like warm colors. I'm not mad at it. I don't feel like I was like, oh my gosh. Like, oh my gosh. But it's cute. When you guys see me apply it, you'll get like the real tea. But I feel like this is like a good everyday eyeshadow palette. All of you guys and girls out there that like, you know, an everyday warm palette, this is probably gonna be for you. I'm one of them, okay? I like warm eyeshadows. I do. Guilty as charged. So the theme, if you haven't already guessed, of this collection is kind of like bronzy, brown sugar. Every color around the color brown sugar or around brown sugar. Should I say brown sugar one more time? But the theme is definitely like more of like a brown warm fall type of vibe. So the 3 cream eyeshadows are browns. 2 of them, well actually one's kind of like a bronzy color. The other one is like a champagne, and then there's a flat matte brown. Ooh. All right, we have 2 lip glosses, Blowsy, this one right here, and then Dumpling. These are cute. So the ultra glossy lips are kind of like sheer with a little bit of pigment. So even though this looks super like raspberry with the gold shimmer, it's gonna go on pretty sheer. So I'm liking this. You will see me apply both these colors. Well, you'll see me apply pretty much everything except for I think 1 or 2 of the cream eyeliners, but you're gonna see everything in this tutorial, okay? All right, Karrueche created 4 lipsticks. One of them is more of a nude, and then the other 3 are kind of like, well, 2 of them are browns, and then one of them's kind of like a plum color. First impressions, I'm liking them. Like, I feel like all of these colors are, should I say inclusive? I would say it's inclusive because I do think that everyone can wear this, especially if you have a deeper skin tone, because, you know, sometimes people, the deeper skin tone are neglected, okay? And this is definitely a super inclusive collection, so I'm here for that. Okay, wait, is that it? Lips, gloss, liner, palette. Yes. So in this video, you're gonna see me apply the entire collection, and you'll see my first impressions, and then I'll let you know if I think it's season 10 or nah. Look at the struggle. Look at that grow. What is it called? New growth? I don't know what you call it, but I've been on house arrest, I feel like, because there's people working on the house. Haven't been able to get a manicure. The struggle. Anyways, let's jump right into brown sugar. All right, I'm gonna start with amber right here in the crease. I'm just using a fluffy blending brush. Let's see what we have here. See what we got going on up in here. I love this backdrop, but I kind of feel like it makes me look like more on the pink side because it's so orange. Oh, this is cute. Amber's cute. Oh yeah, she real cute. I love, like, you guys know, this like warmth in a crease is just everything. You guys see how I snatch right here? See how snatched I am right here? I just brought the bronzer all the way in with like a thinner brush, almost like this. I went. All right, I'm switching to a smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna add chalk, as in like chocolate, in the crease. These 2 are actually, chocolate and sorrel, are actually kind of similar. One's just a little bit deeper and cooler. So we're just gonna do that. I just love a warm crease. This kind of crease actually just makes me like really happy. It really does. Makes me happy, makes me excited. I feel like I'm on fire right now. Like literally, like it looks like flames are behind me. I was trying to do like a brown backdrop, but I saw the orange and I was like, We haven't used you in a while. All right, so the palette only comes with 3 metallic colors. I'm gonna try and use 2 of them. I feel like if I was doing a more dramatic look, I definitely would use Sauté, probably with henna. Like these two look really cute together. But right now I'm gonna put Auburn all over the lid and Ginger right here on the inside. Auburn's cute. It's kind of like a cooler tone bronze color. Well, at least that's what it looks like. So let's see how she looks. Oh my God, you know what I wanted to do? Crap, and I just forgot. I wanted to use one of the liners as a base. Oh well. Ooh, that looks really good. Yeah, it does. It sure does. I feel like it looks a little bit better in person. I mean, I can't tell. My monitor is all types of messed up, but the point is she is real cute. The eyeshadow is super creamy also. I love Colourpop's eyeshadow. I mean, you guys know this. I love their eyeshadow. Super pigmented, super affordable. It's not gonna reach too deep into them pockets. All right, now let's go in with the Ginger. I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm just gonna put it right up in here. All right, I'm gonna smudge chalk right here on my bottom lash line. Ah, piece of hair in my eye. Ooh. Okay, so I kind of want you guys to tell me because I know how I feel about it, but I want to know how you guys feel. So these like browns and warm browns, bronzy, rusty colors, like we do see it a lot. Do you guys get sick of it? Like honestly, because I feel like I kind of don't, you know? Like looking at a palette like this, I'm like, oh, this is cute. It doesn't have that same like wow factor, and I'm being completely just real with you, but these are colors that I wear every day. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like, I don't want to say like you can never have too many palettes like this, but it's like these are the colors that are like good for every day. It's like you can't escape it, you know? My makeup turned out good today. Every single time I have nowhere to go, my makeup wants to turn out real cute. All right, I'm gonna line my eyes with Stew, which is kind of like it looks kind of like a light brown, so let's see how it goes on. Not light brown, but like a medium brown. It's not like a super dark brown, but let's see how this looks. I'm gonna line just my top lash line with this. Brown liner kind of gives just like a softer finish. I mean, I'm here for brown liner. Whenever I do like a daytime or like day-to-day, everyday look, I usually do like a brown liner on top and then I'll smudge it, which works out really well. Honestly, I think that this would be really good on days when you're not wearing eyeshadow and you want liner, but you don't want it to be like too dark or too dramatic. I mean, I like it with this, but y'all know what I mean. Pretty gang, pretty gangster. All right, let's put some mascara and lashes on this bad boy. You already know, Big Shot mascara. Big Shot. My poor little lashes. Hashtag struggle. This kind of looks cute without lashes. Kind of like it. Should we leave it? So, okay, this is a point where I'm like, okay, I could do the look without false lashes, but then I put mascara on my bottom lashes and they just overpower the top and it looks crazy. It looks like off balance. So that's why I like to add false lashes, but let's see. We gonna see right now. All right, so this is the look without lashes. She's real cute. I mean, you know, it's like you can't go wrong with these eyeshadow colors. You just can't. Like, I feel like, especially with brown eyes, with a deeper skin tone, like it just complements our skin tone so much. I mean, you know, this is it right here. All right, you guys, I'm throwing on lashes. I mean, I like how this looks with just mascara, but I think like I'm addicted to lashes. I might have a problem, I don't know. But these are the Lily Miami lashes, which I love so much. I haven't been wearing them a lot though, I don't know why. I think I've just been trying to try new things, you know? Like, boom, game changer, you know what I'm saying? Oh, there she, see what I'm saying? Like, okay, so without false lashes, it was very much like Girl Next Door, super cute, sweet, oh, innocent, nice. With lashes, season 10 reunion bait. No, really, this is like season 10, you know? Not even a reunion, this is like season 10 going for coffee. Just season 10 filming day. All right, I'm really excited to try out all the lip colors because they're all like neutral browns. They just look really bomb. They swatched well, I'm really excited. And the last Karrueche times Colourpop collection I loved. I think it was Chi. There was like a nude and then there was like a rust color. I was obsessed. So I'm gonna use the same lip liner with all the lipsticks, and that's gonna be the KKW Nude 2, just in case you guys are wondering, because I know some of y'all will be like, what liner was that? I'm gonna use the same one. Okay, we're gonna keep it nude because I really just wanna focus on the lipstick color. So we're gonna start light to dark, and we're gonna start with Butter, which is a cream. Butter. Ooh, oops. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. I like this a lot. She is a winner. Butter. Okay, I'm gonna put the gloss over it. This is Dumpling. It's a lighter gloss. So in person, it does look more of like a nude peach. Oh, I know that sometimes the camera will fool ya. Oh yeah, you can see it's like kind of peachy. I feel like I would love this lipstick with dripping gloss over it, or like a clear gloss, because I love just the color of this lipstick by itself. I like the gloss too, because this is like a whole nother look. Like, I look very peachy right now. Yes, okay. Winner, winner. Chicken dinner. All right, this next color is Cinnamon. Ooh. So this is like an orangey brown. Okay, I personally don't usually wear colors like this. I mean, I do. I'll wear like a rich, really dark brown, but this is almost like borderline too dark of a nude for me, or for my preference. I like it, but I'm not like excited about it. You know, it's cute though. She cute. I feel like a lot of people will like this color. It's just not for me. All right, you guys, this is Brick. Oh, this is cute. I feel like this is like kind of like Come On Sis, but deeper. Because I know a lot of you guys are probably like, how would it compare? The first one is definitely my favorite, but I like this one too. All right, let me try. I almost forgot about this gloss. Okay, let's put this over Brick. So this has like a little bit more of like a pinky tint to it. You can wear these by themselves and they're pretty sheer, or you can put them on top of lip color. Yes, ma'am. Oh, juicy. All right, you guys, last but not least is Chocolatier. Chocolatier, I don't know how to say it. It's the darkest lip color from the collection, and all of these are creams, so they're really soft. They're not matte, they're really soft on the lips. Oh yeah. See, remember when I was talking about browns that I like? I like this. Like, if I do a brown, I like it to be like a really deep and rich chocolatey color. Ooh, I like this. I'll definitely do like a darker lip liner next time, but this is really nice. This is really cute. Oh yeah, this is really cute. Okay, I'm gonna put some blush on and then we are gonna talk about this. Ooh, all right, I added Blowsy, which was this pink, on top of this chocolate lip, and I just feel like I look like dessert. Chocolate mousse maybe? I like this. This is really cute. All right, so let's just jump right into it. I like how I look right now. Okay, that's usually how I judge a collection. If I look at myself, I'm like, okay, do I like how I look? And will I re-wear the products again? Definitely will. Okay, so the shadow, at first, just looking at it, I was like, oh, that's cute. You know, I was like, oh, that's cute. But after putting it on, like, I love it. Like, I just love these colors. I'm never not gonna love them, okay? I'm never not gonna like a bronze, warm colored palette, because that's just what works for me, especially on a day-to-day basis. So I really like the palette. I think you guys are gonna like the lip colors too. I like that she went kind of like a deeper brown route, because I feel like there's so many like light colors all the time, especially for the lips, and I feel like if you're a woman of color, you know, this is just perfect. Okay, I like the collection. I'm loving it. I'm here for it. I keep looking at myself in the monitor because it's cute. So Karrueche times Colourpop is definitely giving me season 10 realness. Okay, I like it. I hope this review helps you guys decide if you're gonna reach in them pockets or not. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment below. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Last but not least, Strut and Slay. Oh, I just like this. Oh, I love it, I love it. Pretty gang, pretty gangs. Am I saying it wrong? All right, I'm gonna smudge. I don't know, they're just kind of fun. I get to critique collections. I mean, come on. And you don't, yeah, I'm not switching liners. Okay, brown sugar. I should have put it, wait, hold on. Hold, please. So the theme, if you haven't already guessed, of this collection is brown. My channel, if you're not already subscribed, I was about to say describe. Cute. Feeling myself.